Hello everybody, this is Christina Maddox with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I am here today to bring you Live Aqua. Live Aqua is in Guanajuato, Mexico, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful this property is, but also show you what a junior suite deluxe room for two people would look like for you. First and foremost, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you just a little bit of the property. That's just a little bit of it. So this is the room that I'm staying in. You use this card to get into your room. And when you walk into your room, this is what you see. Okay. So here on the wall, you will actually see your temperature controls right here and your lighting. Look at how gorgeous this room is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So first, when you walk in, you have your closet space, your safe, you have drawer space for your clothing. Okay. And here you have more space. You get robes, and it says Live Aqua right there. You also have Live Aqua's slippers. Then here you have, your spirits. There comes complimentary. You have coffee and espresso there. You also have your snack bar here that is replenished on daily. This resort is all inclusive. It is also 24-hour room service. You also have a fully stocked refrigerator that is replenished on daily. So now let's take you into some of the other amenities. To my right is the bathroom. So first and foremost, you have a full mirror there. And you're walking in, then you have your toilet closet there. Very spacious. Here's your shower. And these are the products here, Molten Brown, which are high-end products. Then you have your dual sinks, and I'm a huge fan of those. Here are also some amenities for you to use. Again, Molten Brown products there. And then you have towels there. You also have a mirror, makeup mirror there, and you have your soaker tub, which is very deep, very plush, huh? Coming into the room, here you have a mirror, and then what you can do with your mirror is this mirror slides. As you can see, this mirror slides, and now your television is behind the mirror. And so here on your television, you see my name is there, but it has everything that's included. Your account statement, maintenance, room service, amenities, wake-up call, express checkout. The other coolest thing, they have a serving tray, and they have a record player. I have a little Paul McCartney playing right now. And here you have two double queen beds there. You have a side table. Here you can also control the temperature there, and you have your plugs. This is your phone. As you can see, it's Live Aqua, and you can see the address. Here you have a little side table if you need to do some work. They was very lovely with giving me some little snacks here. I thought that was very sweet. This is a very urban type of room in the city of Guanajuato, Live Aqua. So guys, if you guys are interested in this property, reach out to me, Christina Maddox, with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. Our website is heavensenttravelagency.com, and my direct dial is 267-334-0301. I have brought Live Aqua in Guanajuato, Mexico to you. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.